guys, it's your girl Ayn and you're watching Sunkissed Somewhere. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're an old subscriber, welcome back. My name is Ayn Bernos and I do videos on travel, lifestyle, and confidence 3 times a week, every single week, or when I can. For today's video, I'm having a little Pamper session. As you can see, I'm in my Victoria's Secret pajamas and my skincare headband, which I use for skincare. And then I have bare nails. And I'm so excited because finally I get to get the pampering that I need without spending, because thankfully Happy Skin sent me their Sanrio Express Gel Polish set, and I'm gonna try these out for you guys today. Before anything else, you guys know how I freaking love gel polish, right? It's in my 50 facts video. But at the same time, I can't afford to do it every month because it's just, I have other priorities like traveling and, you know, other stuff that my early 20s broke millennial can't really afford at the moment. So I'm super happy because I get to try this, an alternative option that could possibly solve my problems. So let's check this out first. So the packaging looks like this. So I know you guys, some of you guys might be big Hello Kitty fans, so you will love this for sure. In a set, you will get 5 different colors, which are red apples, perfect, peaches and cream, curious, Kiki, do you love me? And Lala Love. So this is 2-in-1 base plus color. So for this one, you don't have to put base anymore. So you just swipe it on and then end it with a top coat, which is also from Happy Skin. Now what I love about this is that it's gel polish, but you don't need the UV light to cure it anymore. So essentially they claim that the polish has a gel finish, you know, like shiny, you know how gel nail polish is, right? Long lasting. So hopefully it does work out so I don't have to go to the salon anymore and I can definitely DIY my my nails. The individual bottles are $299 each, and then the full set, the set of 5, is $1,299. Wait the peda is 5 times 300, that's 1.5. Boom, math! That's amazing. Okay, and then we have the top coat, which unfortunately I don't know how much it is, but yeah. Oh, okay, another thing. So the Happy Skin Express Gel Polish has a vegan formula and contains hydrolyzed keratin to strengthen nails and almond oil to nourish them. So it doesn't have any toxic ingredients, it doesn't have harmful chemicals, and it's vegan, organic, and that's always a good thing, you know? Let's go for the good, cruelty-free option, all right? Okay. So I'm excited. Shall we begin? Okay, let's start unboxing my little set. The bottles look like this. I can't show you all 5 of them at the same time, but actually no, I actually can. These are the bottles and they're really nice. So one bottle is 11 ml and you can see that's a pretty good amount. These are the different shades as well. Okay, number 1 we've got Peach. It's a really good nude shade. I actually tried this on earlier and it's really nice. It's like cream, I would say. And then this is Kiki, do you love me? It's like a baby blue pastel, like powder blue shade. It's really nice, but I haven't tried it on my fingers yet, so we'll see how that will go. Now this one, I really like this. This is baby pink. Oh, was it this one or this one? I don't know which one I like better, but I kind of like them both. I think the baby pink is the creamier one. Like it's almost like white, creamy, whatever. Like cream white cream. What am I saying? And then this one is more nude. Like it's a really good nude shade. Again, if you guys know me, then you probably understand how much I love neutral colors. but I also like a good red, which brings us to this one, red apples. This is it, red apples. It's a deeper hue, definitely not orangey at all. I'm not a fan of orange, so this should be good for me. For whenever I want to feel like, you know, a dragon lady, very extra, very girl boss. That's definitely a peg that I would like to achieve. Okay, and lastly, this is like a deep purple shade. It's called Perfect. Or I don't know if you say perfect or perfect. I'll never know. I'll probably give this to my sister because she loves purple so much. It's insane. Like if you see her condo, even if I want to keep it to myself, I gotta share my blessings, you know what I mean? I'm just gonna use 2 shades for now. This is Peaches and Cream and La La Love, the pink one and the peach one. So I am gonna have like an accent color for my, what do you call this? Ring finger. What's up? I don't have an engagement ring. Hey, I'm a free woman. And then for the rest of my nails, I'm gonna be using this one. So I'm gonna come back to you, finish this off first because I'm gonna run out of memory and battery. We don't want that. So I'm gonna do it and then I'm gonna give you my thoughts in a little bit. And I'm back. Finally done with my nail polish. This one is a little off because I'm right-handed, so my application here is so much better than this one. So let's just not talk about this hand. I'm gonna ask my mom to help me with this. Maybe she can reapply, especially my engagement finger. Anyway, so let's talk about the nail polish. I'm not used to reviewing nail polish at all. This is my very amateur opinion, just like with everything else. I'm also very amateur with makeup. But as an amateur, beginner, DIY nail polish person, let me tell you what I think. First of all, packaging wise, I really love the packaging. The handle, quite easy to use. You know, I really like that it's whiter than the usual nail polish with a tiny, so it's not like slowly doing this. It's like I can use my entire hand to, you know, swipe the polish on, which is great because I need to use my entire hand for that, especially when I'm using my left hand because it's just hard. So definitely idiot proof. I was able to accomplish this, so I think anyone else, you guys can do it too. I like how much there is. I feel like it has a really good amount for the price, which is $2.99. So there's that. I've never been able to finish like a whole bottle of nail polish, but that's me because I don't really do it a lot. So well, now the colors, I haven't tried the 3 others yet. I haven't tried Kiki and Red Apple or Perfect yet, but I did try Peaches and Cream and La La Love. I tried them both. The majority of my nails, 8 out of 10, are Peaches and Cream, and then La La Love is the ring finger. So I really like it. I think that it's matching with my, you know, my little headdress over here, my skincare headband, and I don't know, it's just, I like it. I really like the formula. At first when I was like swiping it on, it was hard because again, I'm a beginner, but what I found out was really helpful was using the top coat because it seemed like it smoothed all of my, you know, my beginner mistakes, and it just kind of gave me this really gel finish as if I went to the salon, and it's getting better as it dries. Honestly, amazed, because I would always get gel nail polish and it would take forever. I had the UV light thing, and then my nails would suffer afterwards. So I'm hoping that not having the UV light, eliminating that need, would actually help strengthen my nails. So I guess we'll see. I can't really speak for that yet since I've only tried this now, but hopefully I'm really excited. If I end up liking this, then you'll see this in a favorites video later on. But so far so good. Like, first impressions, really happy with this. Now if you guys want to cop these out for yourself, then definitely head over to Beauty Manila, Zalora, Lazada, or their very own website, happyskincosmetics.com, if you want to go check it out for yourselves. It's only 299 pesos per bottle, and then you can get it for 1,299 for the whole set of 5. that's it for my review. Thank you guys for watching and for hanging out here with me on my channel. I hope to see you guys soon, and I hope you stay confident. Bye! Mwah.
No, no.